Whenever I can, I always try and spend my money with local businesses. I'm going out to the cobbler I use. I've used him for years, Tim in Canton Cobbler. Cracking selection of shoes, seriously, really good stuff. So rather than go to, I don't know, the big shops in town to buy some good quality shoes, I try and get them in here when I can. Really good selection. We're going to meet Tim, come on. Tim, make those business, you all right?
Great.
Yeah, good
Great.
Christmas?
Good, it's nice and quiet. I'm up.
Fantastic. Right, I've just said out there on video, my favourite cobbler in the city, always come here.
Thank you.
Right, tell us, you're more than a cobbler. Take a look at these Barker shoes. Fantastic. Take a look. So what do you do then, Tim, as a...
Shoe repairs, key cutting, are the core business. It's the core business. And then we do a lot of retail, and so leather goods mostly, including handmade shoes, which are Barker's, been made in Northampton since 1880. But yeah, watch batteries, watch straps, leather watch straps, and leather goods, belts, shoe care, laces, polishes, dyes, shoe creams. Yeah, definitely leather themed. Footwear is the core of the business, and then kind of like service as well, service side, watch batteries and things like that.
What made you become a cobbler?
And to be fair, I was my father's cobbler. I wasn't really interested in it. My father just didn't keep me at a distance. He always wanted me to find my own way, and I did. I found my own way here once I started. Never wanted to do anything.
I thought a good few
You got
pairs of shoes over the years, but they're always good. They're always good. And
handmade shoes. They are expensive. It is a bit of an investment. It's an investment that does pay dividend.
they last longer, don't they?
They do last longer. The construction of handmade shoes is Goodyear welted, typically. There are other types, and that construction just lends itself to being a bit more robust compared to a lot of shoes that are just glued together now.
How are you finding the parking charges since they've come in? Has that affected business?
I would say so. There's a lot more slow traffic around looking for a space to avoid getting caught out the half-hour charge. It used to be 2 hours for free. We were told by the council they were getting rid of it. We tried to negotiate a 1 hour pre-period, and they knocked us back then to half an hour, which, to be fair, by the time you parked up, you fill your ticket, you've taken it back, come round, you're already 10 minutes in. People used to be able to do a good shop here, and other businesses. It's a multiplier effect. Obviously, they don't just come here, they go visit the other businesses. Now that's been squashed into half hour.
The other businesses have said that the footfall has been reduced. Is that true?
Yeah, definitely. It hasn't taken long to see it, the difference, see the difference. What can I say, really? Yeah, like I said, they're looking to find the space, and if they can't, they may go. They may go.
Yeah.
So, there's a retail park not 5 minutes away, free parking.
Free parking? If all I'll say to you is, if it's anything to do with me in terms of decision making, that 2 hours is coming back. Actually, I'd like to extend it to 5 hours.
Wow.
That would be, and what I would do, maybe 4 hours, but so you can do a bit of shopping, have something to eat, and just use Canton. But we've got to change this council to do that. I've got a vested interest because the 2 hours free in the beginning was me. I made that decision. They wanted to scrap it then.
Did they?
Yeah, they wanted no free time. So the 2 hours through it lasted a long time. They've changed it.
It is good to have a constant turnover of spaces. So that's one thing I.
So would you prefer? I said 5. I thought 5 hours. Would you prefer 3, 4, or is 2 adequate?
2, I would say, is adequate. But that most of the services that are provided on Carbridge Road East, 2 hours is probably ample. The only few services maybe that haven't. There's a few chiropractors, there's a few chiropodists, there's ladies hairdressers. Sometimes their appointments take longer, which is a shame. But I think if you understand that service is going to take longer than 2 hours, a couple of quid on top, isn't it?
An obvious thing would be though for those businesses that have special permits.
Yes.
That could work. Also, maybe if you do get the 5 hours, instead of having free up to 4 hours, once you hit 5, a massive charge. Because what's happening is sometimes people park and go to work.
Usually it's a park and ride.
So it's 9 till, and it's not a park and ride, is it?
No.
So
it's a shopping district. It's been a shopping district since Canton started. The Carbridge Road East, and a few other places in Cardiff. Not many rely on these parks.
If it's anything to do with me, we'll have the free parking back. Say 3 hours compromise, but I'm just giving you figures off the top of my head there. What should happen? You should be spoken to, and you guys should decide. You're the businesses. You shouldn't have people telling you.
There is Cobblers Roadies Traders. So, to be fair, chairman has done a really good job trying to fight for the 2 hours to remain. We hope for the 1 hour, half hour. Just not significant.
Tell them to get in touch with me, okay? I'll be in touch anyway, Tim. Thanks. I'll be with some shoes.
Take care. Thanks.